RFID calibration on a ZT231 printer. In this video, you will learn how to perform an RFID calibration on a ZT231 printer. Zebra recommends performing an RFID calibration between different sizes of RFID media or if RFID encoding issues occur. Note it is not necessary to calibrate RFID when switching to a roll of identical media. Before starting the RFID calibration, you should perform a manual media calibration. Touch menu. Touch the RFID icon. Touch RFID. Touch RFID calibrate. Touch start calibration. The RFID calibration starts and could take up to 2 minutes while the printer is optimizing the RFID settings. The printer will move the label incrementally during the calibration while testing the RFID inlay to determine the optimal RFID settings. A successful RFID calibration will display RFID calibration complete. Touch the check. You can view the new RFID settings in the RFID menu. Scroll to review the RFID settings. Any labels used in the RFID calibration can be wound back onto the media roll. If the RFID calibration fails and the message RFID calibration failed screen is displayed, try the following. 1. Repeat the manual media calibration and perform another RFID calibration. 2. Calibrate the RFID with different RFID labels on the same roll. 3. Contact Zebra technical support for assistance if the RFID calibration continues to fail.